Hey everyone, welcome to our channel Regrob.com, and today in this video we are at Eden the Forest Residential Project by Eden Group located in Paikpara, Dum Dum Kolkata. So we are on the project location, and this project is spread across 1.81 acres of land and carries 2 number of towers with B plus D plus 12 number of floors. There are total 85 number of flats and it offers 2 and 3 BHK homes. So it's an under construction project and the construction work is going on in full swing. So as here you can take the view of construction site. Now here you can take a view of project model of Eden the Forest. And this is the landscape garden. And now here we will give you the interior view of the project model flat. So we have entered into the spacious living room, beautifully crafted. The interior is so beautiful. And this is the common washroom. So it's a 3 BHK. And here you can take the view of second bedroom, beautifully designed with painted walls. And just next to this bedroom, here is the third bedroom. So all the rooms are spacious and thoughtfully designed for the comfort of the residents. So thank you friends for watching this video. For more real estate videos and updates, you can subscribe to our channel, and for site visit enquiries, you can call us at the given number. Thank you.